Good day, guys. Today also I am taking you to an ancient temple in Sri Lanka. Look at this stone at the entrance of Oruvel Rajamaha Vihara. Now from this stone they have cut by drilling that huge stone. By drilling they have removed this kind of particles for other purposes. And also at the entrance you will see a drip-edged curve, and this is the current feature of this Oruvel Rajamaha Vihara. When we are entering into the temple, certain latest structures and latest buildings developed, and this is also another strong particle removed from that I referred stone. And this is the Botri area and pagoda area in the temple. A pond is there under the rock. It doesn't see ever sun and moon. And this is the image house and statue of King Valagamba, who created this temple before 2100 years ago. Ancient Botri.
Yeah, friends, look at this structure. This is kind of unbelievable thing. This main rock is on three basic small stones. Under that rock there are nothing. This is the image house. Image house has been built under that rock, which is on three main small stones. Unbelievable in the sense we don't know actually this may not be man-made. By nature it has created. The formation of that such kind of structure is not believable, because if these are lava, magma, if these are magma, how it happens actually? Magma should come from the earth, but this is another kind of structure we don't know. This main pot kind of thing, pot is on three pillars, and under that pot there are nothing. Image house is built. Friends, we are entering to that image house, which I told you, which I explained to you. There is nothing under that pot. Pot is on three main strong pillars, strong rocks, small strong rocks. This is the image house, and under this pot there is nothing. An image house is created, and it's very cool inside the image house. And Lord Buddha is laying, and few other statues are there, and ancient arts are there. This is under the pot. Guys, we are climbing to Oruvel Rajamaha Vihara King's temple. On top of the rock we have certain security point, checkpoint at ancient times, but they have created certain steps there, strong steps there, and we have to climb and go to top. this is the viewpoint of this Uruvela Rajamaha Vihare Uruvela King's temple, and you can climb to the top of the rock and entire view you can see. And I think from the sea and from this side to the upcountry area, and huge area and huge strong flat and very fantastic viewpoint. Climb these kind of ancient places in Sri Lanka and visit Sri Lanka. Thanks for watching.
Friends, if you are interested with this kind of videos further, search us in YouTube as Path Pointer and click subscribe button and put bell all. And if you are watching our video, under the video you press subscribe button and click bell all. Thanks for watching.